Iran has made strides in military UAV design and production in recent years. The transfer of weapons to allied groups throughout the Middle East as the country seeks to change the intensity of the battlefield from Yemen to Gaza. According to defense experts, Iran wants to build global influence and promote the export of advanced UAVs. This brings important financial resources as well as political influence to the Islamic Republic. Iran recently introduced its latest defense asset, unveiling the Shahin-1 Kamikaze drone during a commissioning ceremony at the Deylaman helipad. Named Shahin-1, this tube-launched autonomous loitering munition is engineered to locate, acquire, and engage targets specified by the operator. Its canister-based launch system draws similarities to smaller Mirage 521 and Sina UAVs, showcasing Iran's consistent design approach in drone development. The Shahin-1's operational versatility allows deployment from various ground and naval platforms, enhancing its potential effectiveness across diverse military scenarios. One of the most striking features of the Shahin-1 is its operational versatility. Engineered to be deployed from various ground and naval platforms, it offers a significant edge in diverse military scenarios. This flexibility in deployment positions the Shahin-1 as a versatile tool capable of adapting to different combat environments and tactical requirements. At the heart of the Shahin-1's capabilities is its autonomous functionality. This drone is not just a remotely piloted vehicle, but a smart, self-governing asset capable of identifying and engaging targets autonomously. This advanced feature leverages cutting-edge technologies for autonomous target identification and engagement, a critical aspect in modern warfare, where precision and autonomy are increasingly paramount. Regarding the Deylaman, this is the most recent iteration of the Mouse class with modernized hardware. The appearance of the Shahin-1 UAV at the commissioning event of the Deylaman destroyer shows that it could become part of the arsenal of the Iranian Navy's new destroyer. The introduction of the Shahin-1 into Iran's defense portfolio is a clear indication of the country's commitment to integrating advanced technologies into its military strategy. This drone, with its blend of autonomous capabilities and operational flexibility, is poised to be a potent asset in targeted military engagements, offering Iran a new dimension in its defense and strategic capabilities. Iran began developing UAVs in the 1980s during the Iran-Iraq War. Despite Western sanctions related to Iran's nuclear and missile development programs in recent years, the country has still found ways to research and produce a variety of military UAVs for both reconnaissance and attack. This program has become a big worry for Israel and the US over the past few years.